Don't get wet. You don't have rubber boots on. Those aren't the right kind of shoes for swimming. Oh, look at that ginormous new toy hauler. Woo! Bill, John, and Bart. We're heading out this morning for a wet one. All right, here we are, Friday, September 6th. We're out here camping with a whole bunch of guys, and with this rainy weather, there's only 4 of us starting out here on this Bishop Ridge Trail. Wow, gonna be water. Last year this time was solid dust. Tomorrow will be much better. So with the weather that's here today, this giant storm that's been hanging out around here, there's only 4 of us heading up Bishop Ridge Trail. It's about noon, about 12 o'clock. Big downpour last night. Awnings collapsed, tents got flooded. I guess it was dusty even here yesterday. Hey Bartimus! How come that track goes up there?
How come what?
How come there's the trail going up the hill here? Wow! I'm beginning to feel it! Let's not feel it too good because I'm not wearing a chest protector today. Woohoo! Yeah! Plates and blinkers on a 250 gas. I guess that's what it is. Ooh. Nice. Oh, wet bridge and a log. Goldilocks for us. Oh baby! Whoa Bert! Oh. Oh Bert, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, that was nice you didn't have to land on the log.
There was something to stand on there. But
I know, like 6 feet off one side. And John, what kind of tricks are you doing over there?
I don't know. It worked out very good.
Hey Bert, here it goes. Whoa. There we go. Ah. Nasty. That's a nasty part. Woo! Nice job. One. Woo! Nasty. You got vegetation on both sides of your helmet.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's definitely rocky. Oh no! Ah! Nice! Not good to not have a run. Nice. Whoa, that's tough. That's tough stuff. Woohoo! My goodness! Like going up a creek bed. Nice! Whoa! That was nasty! Wow! Gnarly, man! Very gnarly! Oh, gee whiz! Branches capturing my GoPro mount. Come on, man, keep it up, keep going. Gee whiz. Well, which way do I go? Just keep going. Whoa! Here comes Bart, right behind. Whoa. Ah, shoot! I missed that. Oh. Wow. Oh, Bartimus, here he comes. Smoke out. Bill, how'd you do this time? Easy, come up here. Did you come over here? Okay. Hey, Bart. Woo. Remember this spot, don't you?
I do.
Well, that's a little V squared. Hey! No, 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 no! You gotta get hard! Go back! Woo! Wow! Up the middle! Up the middle! Now! Oh, almost wheelied out! Okay, I'm gonna put my weight on the seat here. Oh, again. Thank you! All right.
When I walk back down here, the rocks will start to crumble.
Oh yeah. Wow! Whoa, man! Bart! He's our hero! Yeah, getting easier, all right. Can't tell, but it must be. Whoa! Monstrous root. Nice one. that's the way you do it! Finally broke out of there. Woods, ruts, rocks, face flappers. Now we're right up on top of the ridge. Yeah, my hands are soaking wet, my arms and my body's dry. The frog togs are working. The feet are soaked. Getting sloshy. The frog togs are working. Look at this. This trail hasn't been maintained at all this year. Oh yeah. Just soaking through my pants, clear to my underwear. Why do we do this? Why, oh why, oh why? Could have gone and picked mushrooms. Probably still would have gotten wet. Now I got water running down into my boots from my pants. And, hasn't been, I got water running from my underwear into my pants. Feels like I've peed my shorts and it's going into my boots. Yeah, I just sprayed them with a hose. Oh yes, a fresh induction of moisture into my pants and into my boots and down my neck. Oh yeah. At the junction of the Yazoo, 4 goofy, crazy, soggy, wet guys. Can't believe it. This is on the borderline of insanity. We got John with us, who loves this kind of stuff. Loves it all.